How to change YouTube TV billing credit card. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the credit card that is used for your YouTube TV subscription. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is open up a browser, and this can be on any device, including computer, your phone, anything like that, and navigate to tv.youtube.com. Once you're logged into your account, go up on the top right, select your user icon, and then select Settings. Then in the settings, in the left menu, select Billing. And all we need to do under YouTube TV is select Update for the credit card that you have. You'll then be brought to Google's Payment Center, where you first need to verify your account, then find YouTube TV, select Manage, and then Change Payment Method under How You Pay. From there, you just need to select Use Different Payment Method, select Continue, and then enter the new payment information for the credit card or debit card that you want to use to pay for your YouTube subscription. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.